Today I'm going to answer a question that everyone wants to know. The question is, can you make $100 a month off of your YouTube channel? The answer is yes, but it's not going to be easy.
But I want it now!
What? How can you turn your passion into a profit? For instance, fitness. First, let's talk about the basics. To make money, your YouTube channel needs to show passion and creativity. This could be anything from vlogs to tutorials, music videos, or even documentaries. The key is to be consistent and create something that you're proud to share with the world.
It's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now, let's discuss some tips to help you make money from your YouTube channel.
Stay focused, don't listen to nobody. What's on your mind, just do it. Cause what's destined for you, you gonna get it.
If you don't fail, you're not even trying. My wife told me this great expression. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.
One of the most important factors is subscriber count. The more subscribers you have, the more likely your videos are to appear. Narrow down your keyword search with AI tools. To grow your subscriber count, make sure to create high-quality content that is engaging and entertaining. Also, don't forget to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Another important factor is video views. The more views your videos have, the more likely you are to earn money from ads. To increase your video views, make sure to create content that is visually appealing and engaging. Additionally, consider uploading your videos to multiple platforms and using different video formats to reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk about the most popular ways to make money on YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. YouTube offers a variety of ad opportunities for creators, including YouTube Partner Program ads and YouTube Red ads. To be eligible for these ads, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in your channel. Ad revenue is based on the number of views and your YouTube Partner Program level. 2. Amazon Affiliate Program. If you have a blog or website, you can earn money by promoting products on Amazon. To do this, you need to create a link to Amazon products in your YouTube channel or blog posts. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. 3. Sponsorships and collaborations. If you have a unique skill or product, you can reach out to companies and organizations to propose sponsorships or collaborations. This can be a great way to monetize your channel without having to rely solely on ad revenue. 4. Crowdfunding platforms. If you have a project that you're passionate about, you can raise money on crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. These platforms allow you to launch your project and attract donors who can help fund your creation. In conclusion, making money on YouTube is not an overnight process, but it is possible with the right dedication and strategy. By creating high-quality content, growing your subscriber count, and engaging with your audience, you can turn your passion into a profitable online venture. Remember, the key to success is consistency, passion, and dedication. So, go create and watch your income grow.